grateful to you, and I'm very happy to associate myself with this inauguration of portal function. Really, Mrs. Lazarus brought Association Lady League, Mrs. Rao, and one day to my office, and we really shared so much, and they have invited me. I felt very happy. But Madam Purandareswari, she really gave the whole picture of the statistical data and the position of women in our society. And of course, Anurag Sharma ji, he really expressed his concern about the sustainability of this portal. It's true, because almost 99, almost maybe 100%, the Association Ladies League members are all educated. They know, we all know about the problems of women from all angles. Site violence against women, domestic violence, sexual violence, or the acts like dowry harassment. Before we are talking about all this dowry harassment, domestic violence act, and 498A and whatnot, we are having so many acts. Government really gave us so many acts. But where are we? We have to question ourselves. It is not the question of lacking of acts. I think we should not demand any more acts. We should only concentrate on how we are going to see the implementation of those acts. That is very, very important. Here, the central government is here, the police is here, the state is here. Who else? Tell me. Because it's only the failure on part of many of these institutions as far as the rights of women and the protection of rights. So I always feel and I always request, let us say that women for women, we have to fight for our sisters, for our daughters, even for our mothers. Even 70-year-old women are also getting raped. It is so shame. We have to believe all these things. And okay, here is the executive, police, and legislature. Of course, how about the judiciary? You will be surprised to see, you will be surprised to know some of the judgments. When you read the judgments, really, I myself feel, very agitated what to do. Simply, I'll tell you one example. A girl from Anantapur, she's really postgraduate, she did her MBA. Invite most of the judiciary and tell them, this is what we are not expecting from you. Be more sensitive towards the cause of women. Maybe the law, maybe the constitution, but how about the circumstances? In so much vulnerable condition we are. When you begins to Women's Commission, every day different sorts of cases will be coming. But sometimes we feel helpless what to do, where to go, to whom we should complain. For that, Dowry Prohibition Act is there. Compulsory registration of marriage is there. We just totally forgot these acts. We are only after this 498A. In this 498A, there is Parliament Privileges Committee in Rajya Sabha, madam. One guy, he gave a complaint to that petitions committee, Rajya Sabha Petitions Committee, without going into the details of the petition, who has given that, what is the content of that petition. Immediately that Rajya Sabha, they gave a big advertisement in the Hindu paper and English papers asking for our comments, what to take up. I really spoke to many of those committee members. What is this? He simply said, the guy who has given that petition, he said these women are misusing this 498A only to maintain the relationship of love affair with her boyfriend before her marriage. See? These are all practical cases, what we have dealt. Even before I have taken up this chairpersonship. So we really had a big, tying up black cloth at Necklace Road about this. So even in these parliamentary committees, little bit what we expect, gender sensitization is a must even now. For all the institutions, for all these executive, you can say, I don't want to say all those things, they may put me behind bars for contempt of court. But still, if it is, fine. It's for my gender. I'll go, no problem. These things we have to ask and we have to fight. So for this Dowry Prohibition Act, we really thought of making a big state, like campaigning thing on 9th of August, on Quit India Day, Quit Dowry, but on that day Ramzan. So we are planning to have on 13th or 14th. Even I'll ask Madam also to come and join about this freedom from dowry at least. And because whatever 498 is the later act, but totally we forgot about the dowry. Why should we give dowry even now? But as usual, taking dowry and giving dowry has become a very, very common thing.